Let's do a breath practice called Kapalabhati. Inhale and sweep the arms up into a V shape, and your hands will be in small cups. Close the eyes if you're ready, and take a breath in through the nose, filling up halfway. We'll shoot the breath out of the nose on a short, sharp exhale, and it sounds like this. And as you exhale, you'll snap the belly in. Keep shooting the breath out of the nose, keeping the eyes closed. And imagine you're expelling anything you don't need. Keep it going. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and hook the thumbs overhead. Take 3 sips in through the mouth. Hold the breath on full. Quiet the mind. Exhale and let the hands come down to rest, palms face down in the lap. I hope you feel better.